Hi. So, isang recommended workout na pwede mong gawin sa isang linggo is, ideally, dapat meron ka ring rest. No? Kasi doon magre-recover yung muscle mo, doon mag improve lahat. Yung cardio mo, yung strength mo. So, at least meron ka sa isang linggo na isang midweek, tsaka isang weekend na pahinga. So, meron kang aerobic, let's say Monday, meron kang aerobic, pwede mong gawing 30 minutes yung strength training, 30 minutes yung cardio, yung aerobic. So, merong isang workout na tinatawag na 4-minute workout, no? Wherein gagamit ka ng mabilis na paraan, short but burst yung intensity kung magamit ka ng lower. Yung pahingang part, pwede mong haluan, in fact. Okay, for example, 20 seconds, magkakaroon ka ng squat thrust. So, squat, okay, thrust, squat, 20 seconds. Tapos, in between the rest, pwede mong gawin push up. Okay. Tapos, pahinga, mountain climber. Tapos, pwedeng abdominals, standing. 10 seconds yun. Ayan. Diba? Tapos, high knees. 10 seconds. Balik ka ulit, push up. Tapos, akyat. Jumping jack. So, work your muscles on the side. 20 seconds. Done. Tapos, ulitin mo lang. 2 sets. 4 minutes yun. So, to summarize, Monday to Sunday, wala kang excuse na hindi gawin yung exercise. No? Kasi pwede mo naman siya i-break even within the week. So, pwede mo siyang gawing Monday, Wednesday, Friday na cardio. No? Yung Wednesday mo, pwedeng mas maiksi yung duration, let's say mga 45 minutes. Tapos yung Monday and Friday mo, 60 minutes each. Yun. So nakaset ka na ng 3 beses na cardio sa isang linggo. Tapos yung Tuesday and Thursday mo, pwedeng strength training. No? Since gagawin mo siya religiously, pwede mong gawin 3 to 4 muscle groups yung Tuesday, tapos the other 3 to 4 muscle groups yung Thursday. Ngayon, kung meron ka pang gustong gawin, bonus na yon pag Sabado and Sunday. No? So kung gusto mong i-mix yung 1 day of cardio na 30 minutes, tsaka 1 day of strength training ng 30 minutes ng Sabado, pwede. Pero pwede mo rin i-opt to rest ng Saturday, Sunday para mas fresh yung body mo at mas mag-act siya pagbalik mo ng Monday.